So today I'm going to show you how you can keep the same character, same face, same look in every single image in every single scene. And this is called the character consistency. And I do it with just single prompt, completely free. And after watching this video, you will also learn how exactly you can do it. So first of all, you just need to visit this Google Gemini and let me show you some of let me show you one of my story that I have created. Here you can see I have first defined the main characters and I have added the environmental. So in each scene and each story you can see the characters are similar and all are exactly same. So you just need single prompt. So here is the prompt. You just need to copy it. I will pin that in the comment box as well. Head over to ChatGPT, paste this prompt. After you will enter this prompt, ChatGPT will ask you about the paragraph on your story and paragraph on your character. So here you can roughly define your character, like this is Alu and it should be look like this and wearing this kind. You need to roughly mention all the key points and roughly mention all the story scenes, that how exactly the story is gonna be. So after that it will create the story scenes and master prompts as well. As you can see here, you have the uh, master prompt for the characters and also environmental prompt as well. And here is the exactly you can see story prompts as well. So you have text to image prompt and image to video prompt as well. So first just need to copy the first uh, character prompt and head over to Google Gemini, paste here and generate your character image. So similarly you just need to copy all the character prompts as well in the chat and keep the same chat. So the Google Gemini will learn how exactly the character should look like in every scene. So after creating all the characters, as you can see I have created all the characters, and after that you just need to start copying the text to image prompts. So it will automatically learn the character appearance and keep it same in every single story, in every single scene. So as you can see, this is the first story, and now I will generate all of the story and show you. So now I have generated all the scenes. You can see all characters are same in every scene. So this chat has learned the character appearance and it shows all the scenes exactly same. Now you just need to copy the image to video prompts and use the Google View 3, as I have uh, teach you the method of using the Google View 3. So now you have my exact method, one single prompt and character consistent in every single scene. No expensive software, just a single prompt. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and hit subscribe, because I'm daily posting AI tools and AI tips and tricks. And if you have any question, you can comment below in this video and I will answer right away.